In this video, I show you how to change the incoming call light effect animation style in Vivo mobiles. And the good thing is you don't need to download any app to do this. Sounds amazing, right? Let's follow these steps. Open settings on your Vivo mobile, then choose the dynamic effects option. From here, select the ambient light effect option. Now you can see different options here. Scroll down and you will see an option called incoming calls. First enable this. After that, a new option is shown below to change the light effects. By default, three options are available on this mobile. I assume that in the future, Vivo software updates will add some more effects. Choose the one that you want and click on apply. That's all. Now whenever you get the call, this light effect will be shown. Also, one more thing, this is a curved mobile. I don't know whether this option is available for flat screens. Let me know in the comments if in case you are using any flat screen mobile of Vivo.